Hello dear Aquarius, welcome to my channel and this is your October weekly reading. This is going to cover your love, your career and whatever the cards are trying to reveal to us. This will last from October 6th till the 12th. Your cards are already out, so let's begin. In your career, you've got the astrologer and the seven of suns. And in your love life, you've got the three of stars and the hangman. It looks like you could be dealing with a Libra Sun Moon rising, or you could have a Libra Sun Moon rising in your own birth chart. In your career, I do see that. Okay, first of all, I do see that you believe a lot in astrology. Okay, destiny, karma, tarot readings as well. You could be practicing it yourself, or you have a strong belief. Probably you have been following everything according to, numerology or astrology for your career, and you think that things are still not working out for you. Why? Well, this week you are going to face delays and stagnations. Probably your meetings will get cancelled, your work or loans might not get passed or get delayed. This is going to cause you a lot of frustration as well. I do see that this week is going to be more challenging than the previous ones. It will feel like you are climbing this mountain and never reaching the top, where you have to put extra effort but no result or minimal result. Well, this is how this week is going to be, but you are definitely going to find success. This card talks about a mountain that you have to climb, but ultimately you will reach success, which means probably by the end of this week you will see that things starts changing for you, lightening up for you, and paths becoming clearer for you as well. But only and only if you do not give up. If you continue the efforts irrespective of how or what you're getting in return this week, then the universe will show a path for you. It will definitely reward your hard work, patience, and your efforts, but you will have to stay put for a while. All right, so please take this message so that you're not giving up this week. In your love life, I do see that there's a separation, no contact situation, or a divorce for somebody where somebody betrayed your trust. This either was ended by somebody else or you. And obviously, you are still hurt about it, right? You're still in pain about that situation. I don't think you were able to let it go. This personal situation could have happened recently or many, many months or years ago. This can be a lover, a spouse, this can be friendships, or this can be your relationship with your parents or family as well. I do see that there are two ways to move on from this situation. Either you completely cut this person off, and if you have already blocked them, cut them off, you're not in touch with them, then you mentally also let them go. I do feel that they are still in your energy. You're still carrying this pain at least, right? That fear, that pain, that hurt, that oh my God, this happened. How did they do this to me? How could they? All that blame game. You're still doing that. Now by holding on to a negative energy, the pain, the hurt, they are not going to come back, or they're not going to change their behavior, or you're not going to get any relief. What you're doing is the new destiny that wants to unfold for you, the new relationship that wants to come to you, you're only delaying it from happening, right? Because you're so busy looking in the past that whatever is in front of you, right in front of your eyes, you're missing out on that. Because I do see there is somebody around you who's very much interested in you. They want to come to you, confess their feelings, but you're giving them those stuck vibes, right? And that is why they're not able to come to you. So if you genuinely want to move on, if you genuinely want to have a relationship or a new partner, please move on mentally, physically, spiritually as well. Accept that this has happened and move on. The cards are literally urging you to let go of whatever has happened in the past. It is of no good. And if you think you're still in relationship with this person, or still in a marriage, and this keeps on happening, you go in no contact situation, then you start talking again, but I don't think that internally you are able to forgive this person, right? If you want to continue the marriage and relationship with this person, at least you will have to let go of the hurt, the way they treated you. You will have to stop replaying those bad moments, sad moments in your mind again and again, because that is really not letting you move on from that hurt. That is not really letting you forgive this person. That is not really making anything better in your relationship. Even if you have chosen to be with that person, but if you're still replaying that hurt, how have you actually moved on? Or how have you actually forgiven that person, right? So please remember, it's very important to physically, mentally, and spiritually let go of something. So these are the two ways which are available to you. Which one do you want to choose is completely up to you. And if you think you're very stuck, you can book a personal reading for yourself, as this was a general reading. I also have no contact oracle love readings, mystic red rose love reading to know about your past, present, future. I have career packages, singles packages, love packages, and rituals and counseling sessions as well. I have a lot of services which are under 1000 rupees and under 500 rupees as well. So check out the description box and bio for all the services. And if you would like to know the prices or book any reading, you can either email me at my personal email ID, which is asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly follow and DM me on my Instagram handle, the Moksha Tarot. Please subscribe to this channel because there are a lot of the Moksha Tarots now. So this is the only real channel, and you can only make these your bookings through these two ways only, either my Instagram handle or my email ID. I do not have a website. So make a note of it. Do subscribe, do like, do share, and take care of yourself. Bye bye.